Hey, here's a quick tip for you. If you make a mistake like I did and you forget to add an outlet in a wall and you're trying to go back in and run your electric wire and you're having problems getting the wire to run through the retrofit hole that you cut in the wall, try using your tape measure. So I tried probably 15 times to stick the Romex cable, whatever it's called, the Romex wire, my electric wire. I tried about a dozen times, 15 times to stick this down through this hole, just a 40 something inches down to the baseboard, to a hole that I cut down here, and it wouldn't go. So I was looking for something strong enough, rigid enough to be able to go through and fish up. So I didn't have any kind of I didn't have an actual fish or whatever, but I used my tape measure and I was able to get that in there. So now what I'll do is I'll just tape my electric wire to the end here and be able to pull it straight through the hole. Hope that helps.